What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be teaching you how to submit assignments on Canvas. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is sign into Canvas. If you don't know how to do that, I have another video on how to sign into Canvas. You can watch that if you need to. Once you're all signed in, what you want to do is click on the class that you're turning in the assignment for. Once you click on the class, you should be taken to the home page. From there, you should see either a modules tab or an assignments tab. Click on one of these if you see it. From here, you'll see a list of different assignments that you can click on. If you click on one, it will give you the information about that assignment. For this assignment, I turned it in on a Google Doc, but other ones, it should say submit assignment with like a green box that you should click on. From that green box, it'll make a drop down or some tab that you can click on to turn in either files or a text entry. Once you type that all in, just press submit assignment and it does all the work for you. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped with whatever you had to do. Peace out.